Hey there, CNC wizards.
Today, we're unlocking the mysteries of CNC lingo, making it super easy for everyone to gather with us here at Design to Product Limited. First up, axes.
Think of them as the highways your machine travels on in X, Y, and Z directions, navigating through the material with precision.
Ever heard of backlash?
It's not about taking a step back, but the tiny gap you get in the gear teeth, affecting accuracy. Imagine it like slack in a fishing line, you want to reel it in tight.
G-code is the secret language of CNC machines.
It's like giving your machine a treasure map, guiding every turn and cut to uncover the masterpiece within your material.
Moving on to automatic tool changer or ATC.
It's like your machine's personal tool library, swapping drill bits or cutters without breaking a sweat, keeping the job smooth and speedy.
What about chip load?
It's all about the bite size of your cutter, ensuring each tooth chews the right amount of material for the perfect cut every time.
Lastly, surface finish.
This is the grand finale, the quality of your project's surface. We aim for smooth as silk or textured just right, depending on your design.
So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of CNC terminology, demystified. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned maker, mastering these terms will make your CNC journey a breeze.
Hungry for more? If you want to discuss anything about CNC, you can book at the Calendly link listed in this video. And for more detailed assistance on CNC machining, or to get a fast quote including delivery to your non-sanctioned country, you can send your SDP, PDF files, and quantities to teamd2pcnc.com.
We specialize in providing personalized service and quotes based on your project's needs.
Thanks for watching.